Hey guys, this is Caleb with Kingdom Horse Trailers here in Henderson, North Carolina. And today I got a walkthrough video for you of this absolutely stunning Shadow. And this is the 6-pin trailer with the tack room up front. And let's take a look around this thing. First off, it does have, as you can see, an air conditioning unit on the top there. Got all your normal hookup up here where the plug will go in there, battery box, and then your normal hookups, cranks, lights, chains, all that good stuff there. Coming around to the passenger side of the trailer, take a look from that angle. This trailer is beautiful. So starting here, got your tack room, storage area up here. Does have a walk-through door where you can get to the pins from here. Electrical outlets, full-size spare tire, and it will come with the cord that you need to attach. This does have lighting in it as well, and a light above the door on the outside, as well as the side ramp. Here's that side ramp, and a quick look inside the pin area. Take a closer look at from the back. It does have on this side, it'll have 2 drop feed windows, and then below those will be these air gaps that will drop down, and this is what it looks like when it's up. Come around to the rear of the trailer. Does have a full-size rear ramp there, 50/50 doors, lighting above, and here is a better look. This trailer is fully insulated inside, roof vents for each pin area, so 6 total, air conditioning controls, lighting. This one also, I'll flip it on for you, it has the lighting, and then it also has a blue light. These pins are adjustable. Right now they are set at the 50/50, which means both sides are the same, but you can adjust to where they are 60/40. So if you need one side just a bit bigger and one side a bit smaller, you can adjust that. And this one does have that upgraded WERM flooring all throughout the area here. Moving around to the driver's side now. This one does have the upgraded aluminum wheels. On this side you get 3 drop feed windows. So here's what that window looks like with the bars up. Here's the window up, and then I've got the air gap down here for you to see again. And you do have 3 air gaps, one under each. And then on this one I took the bar down so that you could see what it looked like without the bar up. This trailer is 20.5 foot long, 6.5 foot tall by 6'9" wide, and only 3,700 pounds empty. If you have any questions at all, please give us a call at 443-528-3559.
Call Caleb at Kingdom Horse Trailers, Henderson, North Carolina.